how to turn off automatic brightness on iPad. Okay, open your settings application, then select accessibility from the left side, then select display and text size, you can see here, and scroll up all the way, and the bottom of the page you can see auto brightness is here, and you can see my brightness level, and my control panel is showing my brightness. Actually, after turning off, it is not decreasing. You have to manually decrease that. Okay, just tap on it. Now it is auto brightness is turned off, and you can simply adjust the brightness from here, and that will be stable. Okay, there is no changes. You can see here, and a little bit increase that's happening in it's that is smoothness of iPadOS, not the automatic brightness. So that's, guys, very simple tutorial. You can easily access these settings from the accessibility options, and iPad not providing direct access of automatic brightness on your control panel like Android mobiles. But actually, you can do that with the modern uh, iPad or iOS version, like after iOS 26 or something, and you can use shortcut application for that. So, and maybe in future, Apple's bring like automatic brightness toggle on your control panel. So that's, guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos, or you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.